Hi guys, today I'm going to show how you can configure Bing on a WIX website. So I have a website which is hosted on WIX server and I have opened the edit mode of the WIX website and I have also opened Bing Webmaster. I've logged in with the email ID which is used for this particular website so that the configuration remains under one email ID. So as you can see here, you can either import all the configurations from Google Search Console or you can manually configure your site for Microsoft Bing. So I would go for the second option. So first I will have to give the URL of the site. So this is the URL. So I'm just going to copy and paste it here. So as you can see, I have to add it manually. So it would tell that either you can download the XML file or you can upload the file to the root directory, or you can go for the meta tag version, or you can go for the CNAME. So WIX generally provides the meta tag configuration. So I'm going for the WIX configuration with meta tag. So I just need to copy this meta tag and go to your WIX folder. So if I go to my WIX dashboard, so here under the settings, I will have to go to the custom code. So here you can see in the advanced section, you can see the custom code. So if I click on that, this lets me configure any meta tag. So already the Google Analytics tag is configured. So I would go ahead and create another custom code for the head section. So you can go for the body section or you can go for the footer section, but depends on what you're trying to configure. Since mine is a verification meta tag, it normally goes into the head section of the website. So I'm going to add the custom code. So whatever I've copied as the meta tag, I will copy it into the code snippet. Then I'll give it a name. So here in my case it is Bing. Then I would tell on which page it has to load. So for me it is only for the verification, so I would keep this as it is and I want to load it once. So where? On the head section. So I'll just keep it as it is and I have just renamed it to Bing and the code type is essential. So I'll go ahead keeping all these configuration as it is and I will go and apply. So once this is done, I don't need to publish the site because this is automatically done by WIX. All I have to do is go back to my Bing Webmaster and say verify. So once it is verifying, so it is saying it is not found in the body. So okay, so this is asking me to either put it in the head section before the body, and body tag not found, make sure your place verification in the head section and before the body tag. Okay, let me try again. Let me just refresh the site once and let me check the source code. So I need to find the meta tag that I just copied in this page source, if it is there. So just copy this whole thing and paste it. Yeah, it is there. Let me see if it is before the body section. Yeah, it is before the body section and it is in the head. Is it in the head section? Let me see where the head tag is. Okay, so it is there in the head section. Let me just go and verify it again because I'm able to see the tag. So try again. Okay. So since the tag verification did not work, I've deleted it and I'm going to site verification, where WIX is providing an inbuilt integration for Google and Bing. So as you can see here, Bing, Yandex, Pinterest and Google Search Console are already there, and I've already tagged Google Search Console, so I'm going for Bing Webmaster. So I'll just move to the Bing site. So Bing Webmaster. So I'm copying this and going to the Bing Webmaster on SEO, and I will copy this tag, save it. So this has been saved. So I'm going back to and trying to verify. So again the same issue. So I'm going to use another website verification method, that is your CNAME record verification. So I'm going to the settings and clicking on manage domain. So once your domain has opened, go to this settings and under that go to manage DNS records. So I'm going to add a new record. So in the alias, I'm going to go to the Bing Webmaster, copy this and go to settings, go to the alias name and in the value go to verify.bing.com. So let it be for 1 hour. I'm saving it. So yeah, I'm going to save it. So that needs to be added to CNAME, and that was the error I was seeing. So I am repeating the copy to the CNAME. I am not sure if the dot is needed at the end. It's normally not. So I'm just saving it. Of course, yes. So now I don't have the error. So let me go and check by verifying it. So again, I'm seeing an error. So it says changes may take effect after 48 hours. So I will reshoot after 48 hours and see if it works. So I tried after 2-3 minutes. So it has successfully verified my website. So I can go with the further additions to what's recommended. So once your site is added to the Bing Webmaster tool, if you go for search performance, this would appear on your screen. So as it has to collect the data, it would take around 48 hours to reflect all the data that it has collected. So you may check your website after 48 hours and you will find similar analytics that you find on Google or Yandex. So I'll make another video on how to configure Google Analytics, Google Search Console and Yandex. So if you have found some value in this video, please comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.